Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Webtech Knowledge. In this tutorial, we'll add some color to our text and also in our background of our HTML code. So here you can see we have a p tag over here, and inside this p tag we can add different kind of style. So over here, in order to let's say first we want to change the color of this text. So for it, here inside the p tag we need to say over here style, and we'll say here color. It will be, let's say we want the color to be red. So if we now save it, then if we refresh here you can see the text color changed to red. And let's say we want to change the background color of this certain text, we can do that as well. So for it, here we'll just give a semicolon over here, and then we'll say here background, and this one background color, background hyphen color, this clone, and let's say the background color will be yellow. We'll just over here yellow and save it, then refresh, and there you go, the background color is yellow over here. And if you want to change the background color of this whole HTML, we can do that as well. So for it, in the body tag we need to say over here style, and then we'll mention the background color. It will be, let's say, sky blue. Save it, then refresh, and there you go, the background color is sky blue. And if you want to try different kind of color for HTML, we can do that as well. Just over here search for HTML color code or CSS color code, and just go over here HTML color codes, and you'll be able to pick a lot of color from here. And here you can see let's say we want to try out this color. Here you can see this is a color. So here you can see we have a hash over here and a few text over here, A09592. So let me just copy it, and we want to use this color, let's say, as a background color of this text. So for it, what we'll do is that here you can see p tag and background color is yellow. So we'll remove this. So first of all, we need to give a hash over here. Then we need to paste this thing that we just copied from here, as you can see, and we also need to give the hash. So right now let's save it, then let's refresh over here, and here you can see the background color changed to a different this one. Okay, so you can do that as well. So this is all about this tutorial, and I will see you in the next tutorial, and I hope you are learning something new, and I will actually really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned and stay healthy.